When our customers are happy, we are happy. And when they write us to tell us why they're so excited, we get excited to share it. They were so impressed about the great customer service they received that they went online and left this review. A happy customer that leaves a review like this online ends up being a repeat customer, and that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and a new customer who reads 5-star reviews is a wise customer because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star customer service. We want to add you to our list of happy customers the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. Come and see us today. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.